What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Bluetooth name on iPhone. I'm also going to show you how to change the name of Bluetooth devices on your iPhone. So let's start with how to change your name or your Bluetooth name on iPhone. So let's get started right now. You want to go to settings, and after that you want to go to general, and after that you want to click on about in the top. Now the name, as you can see in the top, it says here name, and I named it an apple. Now the name that you put here is the name of your new Bluetooth name. So I will just type here iPhone, then done. That's what will appear now. So that's exactly your Bluetooth name. Now if you want to change the name of your Bluetooth devices on your iPhone, you want to just open the Bluetooth, and after that you have to connect to that device. I am going to open here my headphones.